Hello, my dear students. In this session, let us discuss some problems on calculation of EMF of the cell. Let's solve the first problem. Represent and calculate the EMF of the cell in which the following reaction is taking place. Mg plus 2Ag plus will gives Mg2 plus Ag, 2Ag. In this case, the concentration of Ag plus is 0.0001 molar, that is 10 power minus 4 molar, and concentration of magnesium is 0.013 molar. And it is already given that inert cell, we no need to calculate it, inert cell is already given, it is inert cell is 3.17 volt. Let's have the solution. So first, as they have given, represent the cell. So cell representation, what we should have to do? First we should have to write anodic cell. Here magnesium is undergoing oxidation, so that's why we should have to write anodic cell, magnesium bar Mg2 plus, and its concentration is 0.13 molar. And then we should have to write the right electrode Ag plus bar, Ag, cathode, where the reduction is taking place. Ag plus 2 Ag, the concentration of Ag plus is 10 per minus 4 molar, and those are separated by. For the above reaction, so in the entire reaction, look at here, magnesium undergoes oxidation to form Mg2 plus by losing 2 electron, and each one silver accepts 1 electron. Here we have 2 silver, that means 2 silver accepts 2 electrons. So that's why the number of electrons present in, or number of electron change occurring in the entire reaction is 2, right? So that's why the N value for the reaction is 2, and we know the concentration of Ag plus is 10 per minus 4 molar, and concentration of Mg2 plus is 0.13 molar. In the last session only we have discussed the shortcut for remembering this. E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 by N, because usually the reaction, we assume the reaction is occurring or the cell is reacting at 25 degrees Celsius. 0.0591 by N log of Q. Q stands for reaction quotient. It's nothing but product of concentration of product to product of concentration of reactant. However, for a solid state, here magnesium is a metal, its concentration by default is 1, and silver is a metal, its concentration is by default 1. So that's why E will be equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N into log of, the product here is Mg2 plus, concentration of magnesium 2 plus, to Ag plus, reactant. Here we have 2 moles of Ag, so that's why whatever the coefficients are there will come to power. That's why Mg2 plus by Ag plus square. This is very important question in the NCERT solved question. It is very important. Usually kids forget here Mg2 plus by Ag plus square. Why we have got square? Because the coefficients are to be brought to power, or in other words, product of concentration of reactants. Here we are having 2 Ag plus, so it will be Ag plus into Ag plus, it will be Ag plus square. Let us try to substitute the value. It is already given, the inert cell value is 3.17 volt minus 0.0591 by 2, because the number of electron change during the reaction is 2, into log of concentration of Mg2 plus is 0.13 molar divided by Ag plus is 0.0001, or 10 per minus 4 the whole square. So we simplify this, 3.17 minus 0.0591 by 2 into log of 0.13 into 10 power minus 8, if we bring it up, it will become 10 power 8. So 0.13 into 10 power 8. I can write 0.13 into 10 power 8 as 113 into 10 power 6. So we can take the log of 13. This all value remains same. There is no change. Only we are working on this part. So log, it is in the form of log A into B. I can write log of A into B as log A plus log B. It will be log 13 plus log 10 per 6. Rest everything is same. No change in these values. Here the value of log 13 is 1.1139 and log of 10 per 6 is 6 log 10. Log 10 value is 1. Log of 10 per 6 is 6 log 10. It is in the form of log a to the power x will be equal to x log a. So its value will be 6 into log 10 is nothing but 6 because log 10 is 1. And if we simplify it, we'll get the value. E cell is equal to 2.96 volt. E cell is 2.96 volt. Let's have the second problem. Write the Nernst equation for the following cell and calculate the EMF for Fe bar Fe2 plus. Here iron is undergoing oxidation and its concentration is 10 per minus 3 molar. 0.001 is nothing but 10 per minus 3 molar. And H plus bar H2. So they are doing it with standard hydrogen electrode. Fine. So let us try to do it for this. H plus to H2 stands for it is standard hydrogen electrode, and here they have given 10 per minus 3 molar, and they have also given that E naught of Fe2 plus bar Fe. So that means if we want to calculate the cell, we can represent the cell equation, but before that, if we want to calculate the cell potential, we should have to calculate E naught cell first. That is a point to be remembered. So this is what the reaction is. They have got representation. What is exactly happening? Iron is undergoing oxidation, Fe is undergoing oxidation, and H plus is undergoing reduction. So that's why Fe is undergoing Fe2 plus. There is 2 electron change. That's why 2H plus should have to undergo reduction to form H2. Here the number of electrons change during the reaction is 2. For this reaction, N value is 2 and concentration of H plus is concentration of Fe2 plus is 10 per minus 3 molar and H plus is 1 molar. That means it's a standard hydrogen electrode She. Let us try to find the formula. As I have already told, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N into log of reaction quotient. The product here is Fe2 plus divided by reactant is H plus the whole square, because we have the coefficient 2. Fe2 plus by H plus the whole square, concentration of H plus the whole square. And we don't know what is E naught cell. It is essential to calculate the E naught cell, and we know the cell potential or the electrode potential of iron, and they have already given it is standard hydrogen electrode. That means this is undergoing reduction, means cathode, and this will be anode. For She, that for the calculation of E naught cell will be equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So E naught cathode is She and E naught anode is Fe2 plus bar Fe. So standard hydrogen electrodes reduction potential is assumed to be 0. 0 minus 0.44 is plus 0.44 volt. The E naught cell value we are knowing plus 0.44 volt. We know E naught cell value. We know N value. N value is 2. Concentration of Fe2 plus, concentration of H plus. All of the things are known in this equation. So that's why you can easily solve this. E naught cell is equal to 0.0 E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by n into log of Fe2 plus. The concentration of Fe2 plus is 10 per minus 3 molar and concentration of H plus is 10 per minus 1 molar, and n value will be 2. If we solve this, the E naught cell we have just found out it is plus 0.44 volt and n value is 2, and log of 10 per minus 3 by 1. So log of 10 per minus 3 will be minus 3. Log of 10 per minus 3 will be minus 3, and minus of, because log 10 to the power minus 3 is minus 3 log 10 and log 10 equal to 1. So that's why it is minus 3. Minus 3 into 0.0591 by 2 will be minus of minus plus. So it is 0.44 plus 0.0591 into 3 by 2. It's nothing but 0.52 voltage. The E cell is 0.52 voltage. This question is a NCERT unsolved question. We have solved 2 problems today. NCERT solved and 1 NCERT unsolved. Thank you for watching. Thank you.